Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a foldable wagon. You can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, it is a red color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the product looks like inside. Let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So in fact, we do have the brand logo. And you see when you guys do take it out, the product is actually very small and compact. So that way it's gonna be really easy for you guys to bring along when you guys are traveling or going somewhere. But basically on the outer layer, we do have a cover. So let's do take off the cover. Let's take this one out first. Once you guys take this part out, they do provide you guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So basically what this is right here is probably the support for the bottom of the wagon. But now if you guys take out the cover, here is basically what the inside looks like. Let me actually fully open it to show you guys how to assemble it. So I just want to unstrap this part right here. And what I'm going to do is open it up. You guys want to take your time to do it. Don't rush, because you don't want to hurt yourself when you guys do open it. Alright, so once you guys do open it, now you can put this inside to give you guys that foundation for the bottom. So once you guys do put the foundation inside, here is basically what the product looks like. You can see on all four sides, they do have high quality wheels that's super durable, so that way you can move it around really easily. You can see how when you guys move it forward and backward. And you do have the option to turn 360, which I'll show you guys in a second. But in terms of the fabric that's on here, it does feel like a high quality fabric. They mentioned the maximum weight load on here should be 176 pounds. So as long as you guys don't exceed that weight limit, then you should be fine. But you can see the size of the wagon is pretty big, so that will store a lot of stuff if you guys do need to. But basically on this side right here, we do have a handle. So basically for the handle, you do have the option to move forward and backward, or left and right, for easy access for you guys to move it around really easily. And if you guys do pull it all the way, that basically locks it in. And if you guys need to release it, you guys want to push this button right here, and that will allow you guys to push back down. And if you guys notice on both sides right here and right here as well, they do have a small little pocket for you guys to put stuff if you guys do need to. So this actually looks like on this side. Alright, so once you guys put it on the ground, this is basically what the wagon looks like. So if you guys do extend the arm, if you guys want to move it around, it's very easy and very simple. You can see how easy it is for you guys to actually use the wagon. So if you guys want to put like all your boxes inside, feel free to do so. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. As long as everything that's put inside is under 176 pounds, then you should be fine. So you can see the product definitely works pretty well when you guys do use it. And it's very easy for you guys to assemble it. But now I'm actually disassemble it to show you guys how to put it away. So first thing I'm going to do is take this part out. And I'm going to take the inner part out as well. And fold it back up. And I'll put this on one side for now. And then what you guys want to do is lift out the middle part, because if you guys see inside there is a handle. So you're going to pull it up and just bring it back together. You probably need to adjust the wheel so that it can fit. And you're going to use a strap on the side to strap it back together. Alright, so once you guys do that, you guys can put it back on the cover. And I'm going to put this back on as well. So just like that, and it's all set. So very easy and very simple for you to assemble it, and very easy for you to put it away. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this foldable wagon, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality foldable wagon that basically has a similar design as the one that we do have right here. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.